Alright, hey, Mike McGroarty here, Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. Real quick, this is the Mondays with Mike segment. This is the variegated Weigelia. You can see the pink and white flower combination. These things are just starting to bloom. They look great. We're going to work our way around. Purple Sanctuary, you can see how full these are because we cut them down to the ground every fall to get cuttings from them. This is the Tango Weigelia. Right here, this one is just loaded with flowers. You can see the difference. That's a dark red bloom on that. This is Red Prince right here. These are just starting to bloom, but they're going to be loaded. Over there, Java Red. You can see the difference between the lavender on the Java Red and the red on the Tango. Leaf color is almost the same. Let's go ahead and back up. Right here, this is a bed of coral bells. This one is called Snow Angel. It's one of my favorites. It's got the green and white variegated leaf with a real pretty pink flower. I bought these from our member Tammy down in Central Ohio. We put these in here because the goal is to propagate the daylights out of them. Keep going, Chrissy. Now, as long as I don't cause Chrissy to fall over, we'll be doing great. All right, now this is the bed of grasses that we put in last fall. We bedded these in because they don't overwinter well in containers. And somebody asked me about them this morning in the members area, and you can see that they did really well in this bed. Now the goal is to get them out of here as quickly as we can so that we can get them potted and get them up for sale. All right, so this is a bed of sand that we use for propagation, but these are all cuttings that we pulled out this spring. We put them in bunches and we heal them back in kind of a holding area until we get them potted. So this is Aphrodite, Rose of Sharon, Summer Snowflake by Burnham, Red Prince Weigelia, Tango Weigelia, Java Red here, variegated Weigelia. Now these are Purple Sanctuaries that we did last year. These are Purple Sanctuary cuttings that we stuck right around April 1st, the end of March. So far I'm not super impressed with them, but we'll see. You know, it's always kind of a low percentage on the Sanctuaries. More Rose of Sharon, and these are the Annabelle hydrangeas. Some of these cuttings were way too long. I'm not going to be happy with the plants. From now on, we're going to do a single node cutting with the node above the soil and no node below the rooting medium. And we got a bunch of dappled willow, which we desperately need. We probably only got 20 left for sale. So anyway, this is a real quick segment of Mondays with Mike. I wanted to show the grasses and how well they did. So Mike from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com.